Perhaps the Honorable Governor can take the witness stand.
Sergeant at Arms, oath. Yes, I will.
Would you like to affirm or take the oath? Right hand.
I continue.
Yes, continue.
Okay. I, Kawira Mwangaza, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before this committee in respect of the matters before this committee shall be the truth and the whole truth and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. Counsel for the witness, how much time do you want to introduce your witness?
Yeah, Chair, like I said, I had a side chat with my learned friend, Dr. Muthomi, and we feel it is important for me to do a bit of some examination in chief, and to that extent, and considering my client's pace in answering questions, I would be begging for 45 minutes.
Dr. Muthomi?
Chair, I had earlier on indicated we would need at least 90 minutes, and you had promised me you could give me some additional minutes once we get there.
Very well. We have heard you. We are trying to manage time in view of what is ahead of us. And bear with us. Counsel for the witness, we will give you 30 minutes. And counsel for the county assembly, we will give you 60 minutes. And please, your 60 and 30 minutes, share with your team accordingly, because senators really want to listen to the governor. Yeah, you have done your bit. Senators now want to really find out, is this the person that is being described by the MCS, by the priests, by everybody? So you'll bear more, the giant's share of the time will have to go to the senators, because ultimately they're the ones who are going to make a decision. I thank you very much, and time now.
Thank you, Chair. Kindly, for the record, state your full names.
Kawira Mwangaza.
Kawira Mwangaza, the current governor of Meru.
Yes.
You are familiar with the charges that have been brought against you by the County Assembly of Meru before this select committee?
Yes, I'm familiar.
And you have responded to each and every accusation against you in writing?
Yes, I have.
Would you like to stand by all the averments contained in your response?
Yes.
Thank you. You have been asked, and that question has been posed through several witnesses, why you did not want to participate in the impeachment process to defend yourself, or at least give your side of the story, at the Meru County Assembly. Did you deliberately refuse to participate in those proceedings?
No, I didn't.
You did not. What caused you not to participate in those proceedings?
There was a court order, and I sought legal advice from my lawyers, and they advised that if I go and attend the debate or the impeachment motion, I will be in contempt of
Thank
court.
you. Thank you very much. So if there were no orders that were in place, and in the absence of advice from counsel, would you have participated in those proceedings?
Yes, I could have.
Thank you. I want us to play a small video on the day when the second motion for impeachment was before the County Assembly. Kindly, let's look at a translation. That is a song. Again, we were unable to put it into any translation, but perhaps the committee can be guided by an expert. But I'll also ask the governor to briefly comment on that video. Honorable Governor, in that video, do you recognize the day that was?
That is the very day before the impeachment debate.
So you're saying before the impeachment proceedings?
Yes.
What time of the morning did that video start circulating, to the best of your knowledge?
It was around 8 in the morning.
Around 8 in the morning. And the MCAs are chanting a particular song.
Chair, those are leading questions. The council can ask the witness what time of did this event happen, but when he asks what time of the morning, he has already given the answer to the witness that it was in the morning. So council is testifying from the bar.
The reason why I said morning.
That objection is upheld.
Most obliged.
You are a
Chair.
lawyer trained to ask questions, isn't it?
Thank you, Chair. Only that the event of the impeachment was set to take place at 10 a.m. and she said before the impeachment proceedings. That means before 10. But nevertheless, Honorable Mwangaza, what time of the day were those MCAs singing that song?
It was very early in the morning, around 8 a.m.
Around 8 a.m.
Yes.
Before the impeachment proceedings?
Yes.
And are you able to understand the words in your local dialect, what they are saying?
I'm able to understand.
What are they saying?
That is the Meru traditional or songs that were meant to bury or to curse someone. And that's why they were dressed in white and black, led to bury the same day.
So they are saying they are going to bury you.
Yes.
They have also made certain references to other people. Are you able to tell which other person is being made reference to?
Yes, my husband.
What are they saying about your husband?
They have never seen a woman that is meant to cry by the husband.
Thank you. Can we now play the next video, that is B?